Hello, children. Greetings to you all. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, I bring the lives of my children before your presence. They are precious and valuable. I ask you to bless them, keep them in good health and love. Amen. Okay, children. So last class we started with unit 2 numbers. So last class we studied about square numbers, we studied about composite numbers, prime numbers, and we learnt about factors. Okay, so all these things we studied in our last class. Okay, so what we studied? We studied about multiples. So what are the multiples? From 1 to 100. So the multiples are 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. All these are multiples. So what is the definition of a multiple? A square number is multiplied by same number. A number that is multiplied by itself. The answer we are getting is a square number. Okay. Then we started with factors. So what is a factor? The number which can divide a number without leaving a remainder is called its factor. So we learned how to find a factor for a particular number. Okay. Then we started with composite number. So what is composite number? A natural number having more than two factors is called a composite number. So a number that should have more than two factors. So those numbers are called as composite numbers. So what are the example? 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 26, 60. All these are composite numbers. Okay. Then prime number. So what is a prime number? A natural number greater than 1 having only two factors, namely 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Okay. So a natural number should be greater than 1 and it should have only two factors, that is 1 and that number itself. Okay. So examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 29, 37, so on. Okay. So 2 is the only even prime number. So in the prime number list, only 2 is the even number. Other numbers are odd numbers. Okay. Yes, then we studied about common factors. So what are common factors? So if you want to find common factors for two numbers, we have to find the factors for two numbers separately and then we have to compare and we have to circle the common factors. Okay. Then we studied about factor tree. So that is also easy. Okay. Today we shall start with multiples. What is that? Multiples. So we are going to learn about least common multiple. What is that? Least common multiple. In short form we will call it as LCM, least common multiple. L for least, C for common, M for multiple. So least common multiple today we are going to see. So LCM of two or more given number is the smallest number which is divisible by the given number. So we know that least means smallest number. So if we have a particular number, in that which is the smallest multiple. Okay, so for example consider number 4. Okay, number 4, multiples of 4 are 4 tables. You have to write all the 4 tables. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Okay, so in this which is the smallest multiple? 4 is the smallest multiple. Okay. Okay, and it will keep on going. We cannot find out the largest multiple because the number will be keep on going. Okay, so smallest multiple, that is least multiple, we can tell that is 4. Okay, so each number is the first multiple of that number. So if you want to find the multiple of 3, first multiple of 3 is 3 itself. Okay, multiple of 4, first multiple of 4 is 4 itself. Multiple of 5, first multiple of 5 is 5 itself. Okay, that is what they are telling. There is a relationship between the multiples and multiplication table of a number. That is why I told multiples means you have to write the multiplication table. Okay. So what are the multiples of 5 means you have to write the 5 tables. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so on. All these are multiples of 5. Okay. So last we found out common factors. Similarly, we are going to find here common multiples. What is that? Common multiples. Okay, the multiples that are common to 2 or more numbers are their common multiples. Okay, so now we shall do one small example so you can understand. Okay, find LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM means least common multiple. Least means smallest common multiple. We are going to find the common multiple that is very small. Okay. So we are going to find for number 4 and 6. So first we have to find the multiples of 4. So what are the multiples of 4? You have to write the 4 tables. So multiples of 4 is 4, 8, you can write till 10, 4 tens are, till 4 tens are we can write. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, okay, after that 40. Then we will write multiples of number 6. So multiples of number 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 52, then 60. So these are the multiples of first 10 multiples of number 4 and number 6. First 10 multiples of number 4 and number 6. So now we are going to find the common multiples. Common multiples of 4 and 6. So now we are going to compare. So what are the common multiples? 4 is here but 4 is not here. So leave that 4. Then comes 8. 8 is here but it is not there. So we shall leave. Then comes 12. So 12 is here and here also 12. So first number is 12. Okay. Then 16, it is not there. So leave. Then 20, it is not there. Leave. Then 24. So here is 24 and here is 24. So second common multiple. After that 28, 30. No. Then 32, 36. No. Then what else? Yes, 36 is there. So 36 is here and 36 is there also. So now 36. After that 40, 42, 48 is bigger number. So first 3. Now it is, the answer is 12, 24 and 36. So this is the answer. This is the common multiples of 4 and 6. Common multiples of 4 and 6. Okay. So sorry, I am going to find not LCM, common multiple. Common multiple. So we are going to find common multiple. So these 3 numbers are common multiples. Okay. I think you understand. I shall do one more example. Okay, wait, let me tell you the sum. Yes. Common multiples of number 12 and number 9. Number 12 and number 9. We are going to find the common multiples. What is the number? Number 12 and number 9. Okay. So first we have to find the multiples of number 12. First we have to find the multiples of number 12. So we have to write, what we have to write? We have to write the 12 tables. So multiples of 12. So what are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, then comes 96. So still this we shall write. Okay. After that multiples of of 9, multiples of what? 9. So what are the multiples of 9? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Okay, so we shall do now, we shall compare between these two. So 12 is there? No. 24? No. Then after that 36 here, 36 there, 36 here also. So first is 36, then comes, then after that 72 is here and 72 is there also. So these two numbers are there. So common multiples of 12, 9 are 36, 72. It will keep on going. Okay, so this is how we will find the common multiple. First we will write the multiples of first number, then write the multiples of second number, then you compare both the numbers and find out the common multiples. Okay, this is how you will do. Okay, so I think you understand what is common multiple. Now we shall move on to LCM. So how will you find the LCM? Find the LCM. So finding LCM, you can do it in two ways. I will tell you what are the ways. Okay, first using multiples. Okay, I will tell you. So find LCM of 8 and 14. 8 and 14. Okay, 8 and 14. So first we are going to find the LCM of number 8 and 14. So first method, this is first method. To find LCM, this is first method. Okay, first method how you will do is, first you will find the multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Okay, so what are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Okay, then multiples of 14. So what are multiples of 14? 14, 28, then 42, 56, 70, 84, 98, after that 112. So it will keep on going. Okay, so now we are going to find the common multiples and we are going to find the LCM. First step is find the common multiples. Common multiples. What are the common multiples here? 8, no, 16, 24, 36, no, 40, 48, then comes 56 is here and here also 56. So 56 is first common multiple, 56. After that, any other numbers? After that, nothing, no numbers are there. Okay, so first 56 is only is there. Okay, so we are going to find the LCM. We are going to find the LCM. So LCM means least, smallest common multiple. So in this number, 56 is the first common multiple. First common, you have taken right the first common multiple. So 56 is the common multiple. So 56 is the LCM for the number 8 and 14. The LCM for 56 is 8 and 14. This is first method. Okay, now we are going to do the second method. Second method, find LCM for 8 and 14. Same number we shall use. First you take number 8. Number 8. So we are going to find the LCM now. So put one L shape like this. Okay. So you take a number that is any prime number. So consider 2. Number 2. 2 is a prime number, right? So you are going to keep on divide this number using a prime number. Okay. So first you divide by 2 tables. 2 tables, 8 how many times? 4 times. Again use 2 tables. 2 tables 4 how many times? 2 times. Okay. Again 2 tables, it is 1 time. till you get 1 you should do this. Okay, this is how you will do the LCM. Then comes 14, number 14. So same, 2 tables how many times? 7 times. Again 7 will not go in any tables other than 7 tables. So 7 tables 1 times. Okay, so this we have found out. First you take and write for number 2. What are the numbers you got here? Take and write. You got 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, then you have to take and write for number 14. So 2 into 7. Okay, we have written. Now we have to compare and you have to find the common. So here 2 is here also 2. So I am going to circle. Okay, fine. Then after that, any other numbers common? No, all are single. Only 1 2 is here, no 2 is there. Only 1 2, no 2. Then comes 7. So now we are going to find the LCM. LCM of 8 and 14 equal to. So for these two 2's I have paired, I will take only 1 2. Okay, for this 2 2's I am taking only 1 2. So remaining all other numbers I am taking and write as such. So into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay, so multiply 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 7's are 50, 8 7's are 56. So the LCM for 8 and 14 is 56. So if while doing in this method also we got the LCM as 56. By doing in this method also we got the answer as 56. So two methods are there. This is second method. Okay, in any method you can do. Okay, in any method you can use and you can do. Okay, so we shall do one more sum using the two methods. Okay, first method, second method. Okay, so find LCM of what number we shall do? We shall take 8 and 12. 8 and 12. Okay, first method we will find the multiples. Multiple of 8. So what are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, then comes 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88. All these are multiples of 8. After that multiples of 12. So what are the multiples of 12? We know 12 tables. Take and write 12 tables. How will you write what are the 12 tables? So first you have to know 12 tables. Okay, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Okay, so till this I have written. Okay, now we are going to find the common multiple. Common multiple. Common multiple, what are the common multiple here? 8 no, 16 no, 24. So 24 is here and 24 is here also. Okay, that 32 no, 40 no, 48 yes, 40 is here also 48. Then after that 56 no, 64 no, then 72 is there, 72, 72. Okay, after that no numbers are there. So what are common multiples? 24, 48, 72. So these are the common multiples. Now we are going to find the LCM. LCM of 8 and 12. 8 and 12. So in these three number, which is the smallest number? 24 is the smallest number. So that is the LCM for this two numbers. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay. Now we shall do in second method. Second method what we will do? We will divide. So we shall divide by 2 tables. 2 tables 4 times. Again 2 tables 2 times. Again 2 tables 1 time. Okay. Then number 12. 2 tables 6 times. Then again 2 tables 3 times. So 3 will not go in any tables other than 3 tables. So 3 times 3 tables 1 times. Okay. Now take and write the numbers for 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Then for 12, 2 into 2 into 3. So now we are going to compare for these 2 2's and these 2 2. After that this 2 and 3 are single, so we cannot compare. So now LCM equal to, for this 2 2's I am taking 1 2, and for this 2 2's I am taking 1 2, and remaining numbers I am taking and writing as such 2 and 3. Now multiply, 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24. So we got 24. So if while you are doing this method also 24, this method also 24. So any two methods you understand properly and you can do. If you know tables very nicely, you can use this method and you can find the LCM. But if you cannot know the tables, this is the simplest method to do. Okay, I prefer you to do this method, it will be easy. Okay. So you need not write so much of numbers and comparing and then putting the LCM. So this is the easiest method to do. So multiplying 2's numbers is very easy also. Okay, I prefer you to find, while doing finding LCM, I prefer you to do the second method. Okay, but if you are familiar with this method, it is up to you to do. Okay. Yes, one more example we shall do. So we shall take the textbook and we shall do. Okay. So choose the best answer. The number divisible by 5 with no remainder is what? So which number, these options, which number will go in 5 tables? So 5 tables, every time it will end with 0 or it will end with 5. So 4 will not come, 14 will not come, 447 will not come, 316 will not come, but 535 will come because it is ending with 5. So it will go in 5 tables. So this is the correct answer. Pick the number which is not a multiple of 6. So what are the numbers? So 18 will come in 6 tables, 72 will come in 6 tables, 36 will come in 6 tables. Only 26 will not come in 6 tables. So multiples means tables. Okay. The common multiples of 4 and 8 among the given numbers. Common multiples of 4 and 8. So what you have to do? You have to find the multiple of 4, then find the multiple of 8, then compare and take and write a common multiple. First common multiple you have to take and write. Okay. Factors of 6. So what are the factors of 6? So 6 will go in which all tables? How will you find the factors of 6? Factors of 6. Factors of 6. So 6 will go in which all tables? 1 into 6 are, 2 into 3 are, then 3 into 2 also our 10, then 6 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables, then 6 tables. So 6 tables, 6 into 1. Other than that 6 will not go in any table. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Then multiples of 9. So in this number, which number will come in 9 tables? 79 will not come, 87 will not come, 29 will not come, 72 will not come. 72 will come in 9 tables. So that is the correct answer. So these and all you can do it on your own and you can say the answers. Okay, do it on your own and tell me the answers. Okay children, yes, all these exercise I will send you in WhatsApp. Okay, so try to do the sums and see. Finding the common multiples is very easy. Finding the LCM also very easy. I have taught you 2 methods. Whichever is easy for you, you can follow the method and do the sums. Okay children, now take care. Bye. Thank you.